Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about human activities and the types of human activities. So this topic is in 11th standard commerce and the subject is business studies. So what we understand by human activities? The activities which are performed by human beings is called human activities. And there are two types of human activities. One is economic activity and another one is non-economic activity. And what is economic activity all about? The activities which are performed to earn money is called economic activity. Example, a person going to a bank, a person working in a factory, a teacher, a doctor, a professor, a lawyer. Okay, so these are some of the example of economic activity. So that means the main objective of performing economic activity is to earn profit. So there are three types of economic activity. One is business, a person engaged in a business. That means it is concerned with production or exchange of goods and services to earn profit is called business. And next one is employment. Employment means it is an occupation, okay, where the employee provides services to the employer, and in return the employee gets salary or wages from the employer. And another one is profession. So profession, one of the example of profession is a lawyer, or you can say a doctor. Okay, so they provide special services to the clients, to their clients. For that they get fees. So that is all about your economic activity. Now we will be talking about non-economic activities. So the non-economic activity means the activities which are performed not to earn profit but to provide or you can say to get psychological satisfaction or to get social satisfaction. That is called non-economic activity. One example is a mother cooking food for her family members, okay, for her children, then working in her own garden, going to a temple, going to a religious institution. So these are some example of non-economic activity. So we have discussed about human activities, and there are two types of human activity. One is economic activity, another one is non-economic activity. Thank you so much.